feel like we've done a lot of learning about.
Oh, we're learning a ton of stuff, man. It's great.
Valuable.
But we really need to learn about that thing.
Yes, this cyclopean
Do you even know
car.
what it is? Guess. Can you guess what it is?
It's
Well, I guess you could look at it because you don't know either way.
Talbot. Is it a Talbot?
It is? Oh, yes, it is. Oh.
It is a Talbot-Lago, but I'm not familiar with this amazing Cyclops face one.
Oh,
Talbot-Lago T26 Grand Sport.
I like those little
Figoni
legs. I love
Fastback
that.
Cube. I know, it's
That's
beautiful.
great.
It feels...
And the yellowish lights.
It feels like if we evolved from like some
painted
kind
rubber.
of mollusk instead of, you know, like bilaterally symmetrical things, maybe we'd have made cars that looked like this. It's stunning. And also, it's French. It's got the yellow bulbs.
Even the hubcaps look
The
great.
hubcaps are amazing. These little vents. God damn, look at the Semaphore, of course.
Oh, look at, are those turn signals right there, little flippy flaps?
They might be. It's got parking lights too. Would you mind?
Yes.
You can open it? Is this your car?
incredible.
It's stunning. This is a one-off?
One-off, yeah.
I love it. I love the Cyclops light up front. It's amazing.
Look at how the door opens upwards.
I know. It's the shape of it. What was your name, by the way?
Robert Kudela. Robert.
Robert. Nice to meet
Hi,
you.
Robert.
Nice to meet you.
Jim
David.
Jason.
Hi.
Oh, look at this, David. Look at the little, on the sides, there's like little rails for the luggage well. And
Oh,
the
yeah,
instruments
they're
are
so
beautiful, too.
delicate.
What year is this?
1949.
49. How, have you driven this much?
Yeah.
What's
I
under the hood?
Because the car is for driving.
Yeah, absolutely it is.
4.5 liter engine, 200 horsepower, so it
That's,
goes.
it'll move.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that sunroof. That's
Yeah,
great.
this is amazing too.
Yeah.
What is this strange shifter? It's it's like sequential.
This is a pre-selector gearbox.
Oh, a pre-selector.
So you
I've only seen them with the
you
H gate.
pre-select the gear.
Yeah.
Then you push the clutch and the gear is automatically done.
Oh, thank you so much. So that means, okay, so if you're starting out in first, and then you go to second, but it doesn't switch until you hit the clutch,
Yes,
right?
that's
so
it.
you can be,
Yeah, you go to the curve.
Yeah, you
and
could go
after the
down to
curve,
second
then- So you can drive the whole curve. So
I've never driven one of those. I've
It's
seen
perfect.
them. It seems amazing.
Yeah.
And I've only seen them with like a tiny H gate. I've never seen it with a sequential.
No, so this is a mechanical gearbox, not the electric.
Right. David, look at the steering wheel is actually leaf sprung. Like the end is, oh God, everything about this is beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Look, see, look at that.
They do look like leaf springs.
What were you going to say?
Is there any chance that we could see a semaphore?
Oh, is it possible to turn it on to make the semaphore go off?
Oh, yes.
Merci. Thank you.
We're staying back.
All right, this is going to be good. Hopefully it's not too big an ask. But this is a treat. It will work. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, look at all the things we're making them do.
What have we done?
I don't know, but they have to get out a book. Oh, this thing makes me
a lot
feel
of
funny
gauges.
inside. Look at the shape of the door. David, look at this. God damn it.
This is one of the, I know, though. It's like one of the
Feel
most
it.
beautiful cars ever.
Oh my God. And it's not just beautiful, it's like weird and beautiful, which is better than beautiful.
I like the painted bumpers. That's just, it's not common to see like a,
No, none of this era.
oh, the exhaust.
Where is the exhaust?
6 little
Oh God. It's like a
It gets
pan
better and
flute.
better.
It's like a little pan flute. Oh my God. It does get better.
And you know, it's not on center. It's just off center, just to be weird.
God. Oh, it's amazing. If it's too much of a problem, we understand. I hope we haven't started anything crazy with you. Maybe we uncovered something important.
No.
This thing wouldn't pass inspection. Semaphore's fixed. Oh yeah, there's a little red light. Oh, that's okay.
In 5 minutes.
Oh, that's okay. We you know, it's totally
I assume you
fine.
don't use those often. I mean, why would you?
It works, but
Yeah.
the standard.
Thank you for trying, though. I merci for trying, because it's really.
You're fine.
This is a stunning car. We're just losing our
Yeah.
shit over this, and it's amazing. We're losing our merd, I should be.
How do you think those semaphores work? Do you think
It's a little not a hydro,
You don't think
electric actuator.
you don't think it's just like a little
There's a little solenoid.
little ferret that has to spin a wheel with
yeah.
gearing, and when they
Yeah.
click the button, they
The
just
ferret's
feed it.
actually down here, and he's pulling like a cable, like a rope pulley. Well, thank you for trying. I'm waiting till the fuse box gets opened or something like
Maybe
that.
we just if we disembark, it'll be less pressure.
These Talbots are amazing, though.
How do they work though? Seriously.
There's a little actuator, like a solenoid dealie.
Oh, really?
And it just,
You know, I bet you most semaphores don't work.
yeah, I bet they're finicky things. I'm glad we got something with that car because it's stunning.